person who overcomes the temptations of his life is a great or the greatest man or woman, because he or she has found his or her dignity and identity in God Himself. A pleasant and divine morning to you, my dear brothers and sisters. Temptations are supposed to come in our life, but once we overcome those temptations by the grace of God and with good efforts of ourselves, God is going to make a saint out of the sinner. The Word of God brings to us a beautiful message. We read in the Gospel of St. Mark, chapter 1, verses 12 to 15. Here we read, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus was tempted in the wilderness. For 40 days He kept fasting. For 40 days He took control of Himself and He allowed the Spirit of God to lead Him, to guide Him. And it is after these 40 days Jesus was tempted. He was tempted for his physique, he was tempted for his emotion, and he was tempted for his mind. Physique for his hunger, mind to bow down before the Satan, and Satan would give him the glory of this world, and the emotion telling that if you throw yourself away, God will send His angels to pick you up. Dear friends, Jesus never yielded to the temptations. And once Jesus overcame those temptations, we read in the Gospel, the angels came to serve Him. That is the beautiful message for us today. Once we give up, once we overcome those temptations that take us away from God, God is going to send His angels in our life. We always should remember that we have a guardian angel who is always watching over us, would never allow to fail us in our life. Dear friends, as we enter into this new week of this Lenten season, let us ask God the grace to overcome the temptations of our life, so that we may experience the angel of God leading us, guiding us, and blessing us. And let us also ask God to be an angel for all those who are in the darkness of sins. Joining with the psalmist, let us chant this psalm, asking God that all your paths, O Lord, are mercy and faithfulness for those who keep the covenant. O Lord, make me know your ways, teach me your paths, guide me in your truth and teach me, for you are the God of my salvation. All your paths, O Lord, are mercy and faithfulness for those who keep your covenant. Remember your compassion, O Lord, and your merciful love, for they are from of old. In your merciful love remember me, because of your goodness, O Lord. All your paths, O Lord, are mercy and faithfulness for those who keep your covenant. Good and upright is the Lord. He shows the ways to the sinners. He guides the humble in right judgment. To the humble He teaches His ways. All your paths, O Lord, are mercy and faithfulness for those who keep your covenant. Yes, dear friends, the ways of God are mercy and kindness for those who keep the covenant of God. That is, loving God with our whole heart and giving up everything that becomes a block. May the merciful Lord bless us all. Thank you and have a grateful day.